This is a crypto update video. Just want to talk to y'all now that we are in December. We are in a new month. So let's get to the macro of this whole cryptocurrency situation. Right now, crypto is at a fear and greed index of 20. Okay. The market cap, total market cap of cryptocurrency is back under 3 trillion, down 6.73% at the time of this video. Market cap at 2.9 trillion. So right now, compared to last year, crypto is getting cooked. And I'm kind of mind blown about this. We had Trump being the crypto president, right? We'll talk more about that. But let's go through the list. So you got Bitcoin right now down 6% for the day, 1.7 trillion, $85,785 at the time of this video. It is currently, if you go look at the charts, it looks like it may head down to about 75,000. That could be the new bottom for this era of time right here. So Bitcoin not looking as bullish as we thought. All the analysts and people say 250,000, 175, 125,000. However, Bitcoin is down about 12 to 15% this year. So everyone who sold all throughout the 24 did well. Everyone who held or bought more so far is not looking good. The whole 2025 pretty much has been a bust, except for if you're chasing like a coin that's worth 500,000 and then it goes up to $2.5 million market cap, right? Otherwise, you know that's kind of like gambling pretty much. Let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum, $332 billion market cap, sitting at 2,765, down 9% for the day, 9%. Ethereum is back to getting crushed again. And as a number two crypto, is still much higher than XRP in terms of market cap. My XRP is at 172 or 120 billion at $2, down almost 9% for the day. XRP Army are going to say it's going to 50. I don't know. It might. I could be wrong. Who knows? Anything could happen, but it doesn't look like anything's doing good. So we got 30 days left in this month or this year so that people can say Bitcoin's going to hit 200, Ethereum going to 7,000, XRP going to $50. Like all of that is kind of crazy. So we got BNB down about 8%, 112 billion. We know CZ at Binance controls the shit out of that one. Then you're looking at Solana down 9%, Dogecoin down 11%, Cardano 11%, Bitcoin Cash, Hype. All of these are down. These are all the cryptos, 12 and up are all worth more than 10 billion. Okay. Another one that kind of been, really disappointed and surprised is Chainlink, right? Down 10% for the day, 8 billion market cap. I think Stellar Lumens is still pretty decent at 23 cents at 7 billion market cap, number 15. Then we got HEDERA. So the average rate right now is like a 9 to 10% drop. And as we get lower on this list, you can see certain things like Zcash down 22%, AVAX 9%, SWE 14%. World Liberty Financial holding up better than some at 4%, right? CRO. So all the cryptos, as we go down the list, Mantle, it's beat down. And I'm telling you, I'm very surprised. And I think the markets have changed. And then again, look at some of the other big dogs right here: Polygon, Algorand, Caspa, Trump Coin, and whatnot. Talking about some macro news. So Japan has had yields below 0% for about 30 years. Now the Japanese yen is getting stronger. They got some liquidity in the market, and this is infecting the world. No more cheap money from Japan. Japan has said it will implement a flat 20% tax on cryptocurrency gains. Crypto is getting taxed hard in Japan. Japan want their money. Not a good sign. And this is about Bitcoin. Update. Bitcoin returned negative 17.67% in November 2025. Its second lowest monthly result on record per coin glass. So you can see it right here. A lot of red, but a lot of green. However, usually Bitcoin is bullish, just like equities in November, December. So if we get a negative November, it's like highly likely we may get a flat or negative December. Be cautious with this one, y'all. And this was a post by Thinking Crypto. I thought this was interesting. It feels like we had a normal bull market from January 2023 to December of 2024. Agreed. Then Trump launched a meme coin and tariffs in January of 2025, and it's been crazy since then. Let me know what y'all think about that. I 100% agree. Ever since corporations got involved, all the ETFs dropped. People were happy. I was even happy too. I was like, hey, more liquidity is going to go in the market. Coin's going to go to the moon. We had a quick pump from November to January, or some coins November to December, 6 to 8 weeks, and then down all year. That's what we got all year. And now that corporations, BlackRock, Donald Trump, the president, his administration, everybody's eyes is on crypto, they just suck the life out of it. That's what I have seen. All I can say is stay locked in, y'all. Or if you committed, you committed. If you ain't, I definitely understand. This is a tough market to be in. However, as I said in my last video, if you're going to dollar cost average, we may be dollar cost averaging for the next 2 years. So do it slow, maybe even buy once every few weeks or once a month or something like that. I wouldn't put all my chips in. We could go lower, we could go higher. Anything is possible right now. But if you're gonna buy crypto, I would say DCA at a very slow pace. Obviously, y'all, I like Bitcoin, I like Ethereum. If you like XRP, I definitely respect it. Solana's a big dog, so definitely focus on the big dogs. And if you're gonna dip lower, look at HEDERA, look at ALGORAND, look at Stellar Lumens, look at Ondo, maybe even Chainlink, and a few others like Mantle out there, AVAX and whatnot. Layer ones, American-made crypto is still what I am talking about here today. So let me know in the comments what you liking. If you're thinking about buying, what's the strategy that you're into? Do you just dump and buy whatever? Are you trading perpetuals? Are you looking into meme coins? Do you like my idea with layer ones? Do you like my idea with American-made cryptocurrencies? What indicators are you looking at? I always pay attention to the 200 simple moving average. I usually show you if something's in a bull or bear market on the daily and the weekly. Okay, these are the type of things that I'm thinking about. And I think y'all, if y'all watching this channel, Pin Crypto with C Will, Passive Income Network, this is something I think you should also be thinking about. So again, a quick recap, macro crypto on the governmental US side looks very good, but the prices are not matching the fundamentals for most coins. I would say 95%, maybe 90% of all coins are trash in my opinion. I named a few that I do like. Y'all let me know what you think. Until the next time, y'all. Peace.